There you are. It's a very special episode of Tribe Mail today, guys. Before I show you what the postman brought, I want to say that it's based around this, our logo, our symbol of love and hope. And at the end of this video, I'm going to break down the logo and all of the different meanings that are behind it. But first, we're going to get into the package. Trust me, it's all going to make sense. Now we just got to find that little owl. LaRue! Where's LaRue? Oh, LaRue. Mailman came, little buddy. It's that time again.
Every package has a tag. What ocean did you sail? By air or by snail? It's Tribe Mail. Brought to you by two brothers, one vision.
Why, hello, my friends and fam. Welcome back to Wowwy'z Workshop. Yep, flash them dubs. And this is kind of an unexpected Tribe Mail today, guys, because I commented on a friend and a brother, Steven, of one of his posts. I believe it was Instagram, because he was doing some really neat 3D printing. And I just asked him what he would charge to get, because we have our logo. Well, you see it everywhere. I cram it everywhere. And there's reasons for that, but we're not going to get into that right now. But I asked him how much he would charge for a couple of one of these cool 3D printed of our logo. And then he said he was going to do one up and not to worry about it. It was on him. And I want to cover it for shipping, but he's saying it's a gift. And I was very taken aback by this, and because we talk back and forth a little bit in our community and in the tribe, but not to the point where I wasn't expecting this, man. And you know what? Just random acts of kindness within our community and tribe is what makes this our family so important and dear to me, I know, and a lot of other people, because it's things like this happen, and it just so. Having that said, Steven is a really good carver. I want to put some pictures in. He has a very unique style. I love to see it when I come rolling across his post, because you always know it's his work, and that's the beauty with our carving and becoming your own carver and having a unique style. That's one of the things I love most about wood carving and just art in general. Just people having their own unique, awesome styles. Okay, so I got to keep that because that's all the information on the other side there. So let's cut into here and see. Yeah, so Steven, he's really good at wood spirits. See, got a sticker. We got a sticker, guys. We got a sticker, and it's SC Carvings, and that's his initials, Steven C. I don't know if he wants me to be telling his whole name on there, so I'm not. And he sent things like, hi Larry, here are a few bits that I printed out for you. None of them are perfect, as I am still learning. Hope you like them. All the best, Steven, from SC Carvings. Thank you so much, man. I am just stoked about having you doing this. I'm going to get you back, man. And I have your address now, so there ain't stopping what's coming. There ain't stopping what's coming. Wowie. That's what Karma Carves is all about, man. Getting people back for their kind things that they do, and supporting our channel and supporting art. And what goodness, what is... Oh my God. Holy shit, guys, look at this. It says, Two Brothers, One Vision, Canadian brothers at Two Brothers, One Vision. And it's like a YouTube. Wow. So you can sit that in the background. Is that ever frickin' cool, man? Steven, I am just... Wow. I am very touched by this. That is so neat. Look at the back, you guys. It's like it's coming out of the ground. See what I mean by like a 90 degree? Oh, woo! Wow. you're gonna see that in all sorts of things that anywhere where I can stick that bad boy. People, if you're a follower of us, you see that I put our logo anywhere where I can cram that logo, and there's reasons for it. I'm into Freemason. I'm into Knights Templar stuff. I'm just very, very curious about anything, especially if it's the unknown. Like ever since I was little, like I didn't learn math and stuff in school. I didn't absorb any of that. What I absorbed is those books that said, Tales of the Unknown and Unexplained Mysteries and stuff. Those are that's what tickled my wonder, Willie. And oh my goodness. What? Guys, these are little individual Two Brothers One Vision logos that he's carved in. It's a plastic with a little hanging loop at top. Holy crap, man. Are these ever... And then they have I saw this in one of his videos. They have a holographic... How do I show you guys this? You see those hearts? That's holographic hearts. Because he probably sees me saying much love. Like it's going out of style, but I'll never stop. But anyways, that is frickin' fire, Steven. So he's made a whole bunch. Wow. And this one's got like crazy circles. So yeah, these can be like special decorations people can hang just off their... Well, you could hang one of these off your rearview mirror, or we could incorporate these into Christmas ornaments. Oh man, I love them. Yeah, they kind of look like albums. Wow. And you know me, after a couple puffs of the old wacky lettuce there, I'll really be wow. And then that's the hearts. You can see all the hearts. So cool, man. I owe you big for doing this. And what I was rambling about is that with the Knights Templar and Freemason and stuff, they say that if you create a symbol that stands for something, and that's your movement, your art, your what my Two Brothers One Vision stands for. It's like our Batman symbol, and you use that and you put your intention into that thing, and the more and more you use it, the more that symbol has power. Oh, I'm not gonna get... You guys are gonna think I'm crazy. Whoa, what is this? Two Brothers One Vision. And it's like, you can hang it anywhere. And it's got the hearts. It's got the hearts, guys. Steven. That's dope, yo. I love it, man. Thank you. So cool. An unexpected kind gesture from a brother across the pond, man. I don't feel worthy, but nonetheless, it doesn't mean I appreciate something any less. It just, when I say I don't feel worthy, is because it's, time, money, everything is very precious, and you're doing this for me just out of the kindness of your heart, man. I promise to get you back, Steven. My goodness. Look at this. It's just a jamboree of awesomeness. Oh! Wow! We got big ones with the hearts. And I love that. Look at the center. It looks like it's bursting out with power. That's neat, man. So this is like the 3D printing stuff. I don't know what type of plastic this would be, but a whole bunch. Thank you, brother. Oh, this is neat. It has like a matrix that's all numbers in the holographic. All different numbers overlapping and very funky, dude. These are just wicked. And look at, there's a heart one. Wow. Oh, bro. Thank you so much, man. This is so cool. And then look at this. This is a bookmark. See? Dude. So cool, man. Well, I tell ya, you have just surprised the frick out of old Wowie here. And I think each one of them, they're just precious to me, man. Each one. Holy smokes. Thank you, Steven. And thank you guys. You guys will be seeing this. You'll be seeing these. You'll be seeing these. Thank you for watching a little episode of Tribe Mail and being here with me for this awesome surprise. Steven, I'm so stoked by all this, man. Thank you. So cool. And you guys, check out his owl. I love your style, brother. You are an awesome carver. Keep shining, man. You got a fan in me. Now this logo. Now for the Wowie walkthrough. This is going to take a couple minutes. I understand you want to skip, but a lot of people have asked about what our logo stands for. And this is a shout out to Tarek specifically. Love you, brother. And let's do it. First, Pisces. Both brothers are Pisces. One is one fish, the other is the other. It depends on which way where you land in the month where you were born. And it applies to us. So in that, you have two fish tails, one going upstream, one going down. I made this one here slightly bigger than this half because I'm 2 years older than him. Okay? So that's why there's a difference on these. Next, we are proud Indigenous Métis, okay? And that symbol is for the Métis up here in Canada, but it's also infinity and forever and everything that stands for. So we had to have that in our logo. We're very proud of that. And the forever applies to us. This is our art is our voice, our fingerprint on this life. You know, it could have went horribly wrong with what happened to each of us in our lives. But we decided to live, and we decided to combine our efforts and collaborations and do our art. And that's our purpose. It's our therapy. It's for family. That's all in here. Okay? Next, the dots on either side. That's each brother represented as individuals. Because we are a collaboration, yes, but also we are very, very unique in our own ways. Now, you start the hidden words that are in here. We have a hashtag that we use. I call it a movement. It's made in pain. Okay? And that represents all disabled artists. Anybody that lives with a disability but yet gets up and can create something, that's what Made in Pain stands for. That's a lot more is going to be said about that. Okay, there's an M and there's a P. Also, there's a D and there's a B. Dib Brothers. Okay, also there's the P for purpose. There's a D for dreams. Okay, there's an H for hope, for healing. There's an M for much love. Do you feel me? This is all in here, you guys. That's why it's so important to show it and share it. And if we have stickers or if we ever have t-shirts, we hope that you guys will understand that how important it is to share this symbol. Thank you for listening to that. Much love. Back to the show. And now there's your owl in a place of honor on my carving box. Steven, I just wanted to say thank you so much for doing this. It was such a kind thing to do, and you were a total lighthouse. You totally caught me off guard, and I just really appreciate it, man. Supporting our brothers and sisters out there, man, whatever your shine may be, it's so very important to support. And I thank you for yours. And just like that, they are ready. They're perfect, man. Everything's perfect, Steven. Whoa, almost fell. Thank you so much, brother. And I got it all rigged now, so if I feel much lovey that day, we'll put that guy up there. Perfect. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate it. As does LaRue. And thank you guys for watching. There is no YouTube without you, and I truly mean that. Much love. I love that.